If you've just picked up your Phonak Audio Infinio hearing aid after a nighttime charge and it isn't working, panic not. There's a solution to reset the settings, so follow the instructions in this video to bring your hearing aid back to life. Normally, when you take your hearing aids out of the charger, you should see a green flashing light. And then around 3 seconds later, when you put the hearing aids in your ears, you'll hear the startup jingle. If, on the other hand, this isn't happening, or if there's a red light showing, then follow these 3 simple steps to bring your hearing aid back to life. Now, for this tutorial, you'll need both your hearing aids and your hearing aid charger, which should be plugged into the wall and switched on. Firstly, pick up your hearing aid and hold down the bottom button for 20 seconds. I'll put a timer on screen now so that you can be sure that you've held it down for long enough. This process in itself should perform a hard reset. It's worth noting that your hearing aids will still maintain the settings for your individual hearing loss, and that information won't be lost. Secondly, place the hearing aid back in the charger and leave it there for 3 seconds. Your battery light will start to blink at this point. It may be red, amber, or green, depending on the charge that's still in your hearing aid. And then finally, remove your hearing aid from the charger and it should start to work as normal. If this doesn't work, then there may be a more serious issue and you'll need to see your audiologist. But before you do that, don't forget to check out this video reviewing Phonak's latest hearing aids, the Infinio Spheres.